Hi, I'm Lerges. Today we're gonna review the stockroom module, which is a module requested by one of our top customers. This module helps to materialize in NexoPOS a stockroom or better a warehouse that you have on your actual store. To make it very clear, I'm not talking about the warehouse that we have at the root of a multi-store, but I'm talking about that place in your store where your products are stored after the procurement. This module then helps you to know what remains in the stock room or what goes for sales at the sales department. Okay, before moving ahead, saying how it works, I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel if you're new, because new interesting offers are coming up, and to thumb up the video if you like it. Okay, let's get started. How does that work? This module should be installed like any regular module. It works mainly on substore and when the multi-store is disabled. During the installation, the module will use the actual remaining quantity of all material products and assign it to the stock room. Then these products will no longer be available on the POS unless if they come out from the stock room. We call this action stocking out. If the items sold at the store have completely depleted, another stocking out action should be made on the same items. The stocked out quantity is what is available for sale on the POS. You can still disable this feature using the advanced NexoPOS settings. Okay, let's have a concrete example of use. So we will then create a product that we'll call demo product. Okay, then I will set some default information like the barcode, and then on the inventory tab I will set some, enable it for sale and enable the stock management. Okay, and finally on the price tab I will define the price stuff. So let's set it to 15. All right, I need to make a procurement for this item. Procurement here stands for buying product to the providers. So let's go ahead to the inventory, then new supply. This takes us where we can make a procurement for the item. So I'll then search for the item and set some quantity, let's say 100. Okay, let me save it, and here we go. Now at the moment we have 100 quantities on the store, and so 100 quantities on the stock room. These items aren't available for sale because they remain at the stock room. We need to assign it to stock out or to affect the quantities that will be available for sale on the store. Let's go to the stock room, then search new stock out. The UI looks common, isn't it? Okay, let's search for the item and stock out, let's say 10 quantities. To summarize, we bought 100 quantities from the provider, then stock it out 10 quantities, which means 90 quantity remains on the stock room. Let's review the history to confirm that. Alright, the history actually display for each product all quantity that are currently available on the sales department, what has been stocked out, which quantity results from this operation, and how many have been sold during the moment after the operation and before the next operation on the same item. You also have what left on the sales department. Since this shows every stock out actions made on all products, you might want to have another view during a specific day. That's why we have created a report that summarizes on a daily basis for each product. So let's have a look. Okay, here you need to select a date, and that will load the report for that specific date. The report shows what remained on the stock room, what has been transferred during the day, basically what has been stocked out, what has been sold, and what remained on the sales department. Okay, how to get the module? I would like to remind to our customer that all customizations are likely to be distributed free of charge or not to other customers, as the existing features that they might use free of charge or not has been inspired by others' customers' requests. For this module, we will share it freely to all of our customers that have their support activated on all of our items that they might have and that aren't suspected of dealing with the platform. Anyway, you will get notified on this. Okay, so that's all for the video, and thank you for watching this.